Okay, so hi everyone. In this video we are going to solve buy and sell stock part 2, and in this we are basically going to use a greedy approach, right? Because in this case, in the last question, we were only able to buy and sell exactly one time, right? In this case we can sell and buy any number of times. It's up to you. And let's look at the test cases. We have 715 364. So what we can do is buy on 1 and sell at 5, then buy on 3, then sell at 6. Then we would have a total cost or total profit of 7. In this case we can buy on 5, buy on 1, sell on 5. So we have a total profit of 4. But what we can also do in this, you buy on 1, you sell on 2, then you buy on 2 and sell on 3, you buy on 3, you sell on 4, you buy on 4 and you sell on 5. And if you count this, there would be a profit of 1 here, a profit of 1 here, profit of 1 here, profit of 1 here. That would be the exactly same answer. In this case it's in decreasing order, so it is better not to buy it at all. Okay, so the greedy approach is I will buy at one day, and as soon as I see that the next day the price is lowered, I'll just sell it, or the price is higher, I will sell it. So let's declare a variable maximum profit is equal to 0, and in the end we would return this maximum profit. That is our whole goal. And okay, so we basically need a for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I less than prices dot size, and then I plus plus. What I do is I'll declare another variable int let's say last purchase is what? Prices of 0. Let's assume that we are purchasing on 7th, right? We assume. So I'll say if okay, so rather than starting from I equal to 0, I'll start from I equal to 1. If prices of I is greater than last purchase, so I can have some profit, right? So at this point of time I have the stock price higher than which I had bought it. Okay, so if that is the case, I'll say maximum profit, you increase my profit to whatever the difference of these two are, right? So we use this as a profit. Otherwise, if that is not the case, that means that last purchase was a bit higher, so I'll update this last purchase is equal to current price, and you do this regardless of you purchased or not. So you assume that you had a valid purchase if you went into this if loop, if statement, not loop, and otherwise remove that last purchase, consider that as invalid, and then just return the maximum profit. And as you see, this is working very well, and let's just submit this and see if it is working on all possible test cases. Yeah, it is working fine. And now what is the time complexity? We are traversing the whole array or the vector, so big of n is time complexity. Space complexity is constant because we are using two variables only, regardless of the size of the prices. So yep, that was the video. Not much to tell in this, and hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to share it with someone you think this might be useful to. And yep, bye.